Hi, my name is Sergey Savastyuk, and today I'm going to talk about daily buy-sell signals. So this is our legal information, and you can find a lot of documents on our website. And today's demo and topic is daily signals. What it means daily, it means they come early in the morning, and you can use it, and only the next day you're going to get another signal. Okay, so there are other intraday signals which we have, but today I'm going to talk about daily signals. So I'm going to start from the Home Watchlist and how to set up notification for daily signals. Then I will show you how to look at the ticker information about the companies and how to compare 2 companies and 3 companies. Then we will look at the feed. It's like kind of almost Facebook, Instagram, the feed of trade signals. Then we will look how to build the personal watch list and how to use scanner. Okay. So the idea behind all these signals is that try to become as robotic as possible, right? And make sure you really looking at the signals, analyzing, reading, and trying to be emotionless, okay? So let's go to the home. So you see I'm clicking here. And then there's kind of basic information how to use it. And this is our home watch list, which you can create on your own, okay? So as you can see, we have here in this column, daily signals, okay? So you see strong buy, strong sell. Here you have opportunity to look how we trade intraday signals, okay? So for instance, if you wanna look how our robots are working, you click here, and then you see it's making about 30% a year, and you can analyze every ticker, okay? So this is the first column. This is the second column about the daily signals. And then it is a 1-year picture, meaning chart. As you can see, it's good charts with ups and downs, but still the GE is a good chart this year. These bells for the purposes to set up notifications. So you click here, and then you can set up any notification you want. So for instance, if you believe that, let's say, GE, right? It is 184, and you want to buy on the dip, and then you can set up a notification like that. You can say, okay, notify me when it is, let's say, 170, okay? And then send me buy signals, only strong ones. So I'm going to click it here. Then if you know anything about technical analysis, then send me information about momentum, MACD, and the patterns. Then this is the signal actions on the daily signals. And send me, please, earnings reports, insider trading, and safe, okay? So that way I set it up, you see notification successfully updated, and I'm good to go, okay? So what else? You can also do trades, which are at this moment paper trades. And soon we're going to release the opportunity to connect to the brokerages. And daily volume, market capitalization, 200 billion. And this was placed like GE or Wells Fargo Bank. You see, this one was placed, this is a column, right? So you could have had different types of watch lists, but this one has a really nice feature. So when it was placed to the list, it's a record, right? And as you can see, this one was placed on May 16, 2023, more than a year ago, and it is up 44%. This was placed in August 18, 2024, and made almost 8%, okay? And so on, okay? So some of the records are fresh. Some of them, look, it is May 17, 2021, and it was Microsoft. And in May, 294%. Okay. It's a pretty good deal since May of 2021. And that allows you to remember when you placed it. So how to place it? You click here, and then add anything you want. Let's say Alcala, okay, add, and now it goes to your watch list, okay? So you see it goes on top, it's kind of highlighted, and it has a strong buy opportunity. Let's look how AA, yep, it's been traded also intraday, and you can go and look into these opportunities with our AI robots, okay? So this is a brief introduction to the Home Watch List, okay? So let's look at other opportunities here. So the Signal dashboard, where, as I told you, it is the feed. As you can see here, you can get a lot of interesting trade ideas, which are long, short. You can, this is only for stocks. If you want only for ETFs or OTC or crypto penny stocks, then you can click here and click stocks. And now you're going to see only penny stocks. You see, this is a penny stocks. And if you want to make paper trades, then you can do that too, okay? So this is the industry dashboard. That's where it is about the group analysis, okay? So what you can do is to click here and then select, let's say, gold, okay? And now you have all stocks which are associated with gold, and this is analysis of the industry, okay? So this is a global overview, which allows you to look at what's going on. As you can see, within a week, commodities went up about 9%, cryptocurrencies, and what is on the bottom, the worst performer is inverse ETFs. So that means the market kind of keeps going up. The inverse ETFs are going down, and bonds. You see bonds performing not so good. You can look also for like information by sector. And another winners and losers on materials. You see materials, and industrial technology doing really well within a week. And for the worst performers, financials, okay? As you can see, if the interest rate are going down, then financials also going down and opposite, okay? So international overview and earnings calendar, okay? So it's opportunity for you to see earnings reporting, and then also here they say buy sell signals for each stock. Let's say it's Costco, right? And it's a signal buy. Okay. Let's go back. So this is the, again, going back to the Home Watch List. Now, let's look at the information related to the, let's say, each individual stock. So you click here, you can get a brief kind of information. And then you can click here, and then you get news, okay? So as you can see, this is overview. Show more, and then here it shows all kind of analysis based on the technical analysis, then fundamental analysis, then this is information about the intraday trading. These are the earnings reportings, the dividends, and about the industry. Quite a lot of good information. Then you can go through this. You see, this is like a blog, bullish stock pattern. You see, it's a bullish stock pattern was discovered by our AI, and these are the prediction on what's happening. Pricing charts. You can analyze dividends and a lot of other information. You can also here see the products which you can use in our website, okay? Okay, now it is all about one company, right? As I said, and what is interesting that you remember you can set up this type of information. As you can see, I did it some time ago. I showed you, and if you do it here, it's going to be transferred to the Home Watchlist. So as soon as you see this bell, then it's being transferred to your Home Watchlist. Okay. Now, let's assume you want to compare Walmart and Costco. Okay. Okay. Type in Costco. Boom. And now let's generate the information and everything we know about these two companies. And this is what we collected. This how our robots are trading Costco. This is how Walmart. We're going to close so we can go and analyze the robots. Okay. And here the comparison on the long-term analysis and industry descriptions and fundamental analysis and everything else compare, and then introducing different types of outlooks, ratings, valuations, and based on this information you can make educated conclusion about what is better, Costco or Walmart. Okay. So now, let's assume you want to compare three companies. What would be, let's say, Paul, right? Also, what would be the store? Costco, Walmart, what else? I don't know, Ace. No, there's no Ace. Best Buy. It's also big chain. Best Buy. BBY. And again, compare, okay? Now you compare three companies. You see on that side, Best Buy, Costco, and Walmart. As you can see, here is additional information when the earnings call today. Oh, okay, actually, you see, earnings call today for Walmart, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, for Costco. We're gonna close this. And here, all the comparisons from technical analysis to the industries, to the fundamental analysis, our proprietary ratings, and everything you need to know from technical analysis perspective. Now you can make an educated guess, educated decision on what you want to buy or you want to sell. Okay. So what else I promised you to tell today? Okay, so you see we are here. Feed I showed how to build a watch list. Okay, that's a good topic. So let's go to first screener. Okay, so in order to get to screener, we go here and then screener home. And one way is to analyze by scorecards. As you can see, this is all the companies. They are right now sorted by market capitalization. Microsoft 3 trillion, Nvidia almost 3 trillion, Apple 2.6, Amazon, Google, all these big companies, Meta 1.2 trillion, TSMC almost a trillion. Interesting information in a screener. This is a drawdown. This is a fundamental analysis score, technical analysis score, and everything you need to know with this good information about what and how we create this fundamental analysis score, technical analysis score. This is the raw data fundamentals, okay? And so with one click, you get all information related to the earnings and everything you need to know from a perspective of the dividends, okay, and ex-dividend dates and everything, okay? So now let's go back to the scorecard and go to the group trends. This is a very unique feature where we have not only here is, let's say, industries, themes, and indices, okay? Actually, I like themes. I will apply filter, okay? So as you can see, these are the sorted by strong buys by groups. And as you can see, for instance, appliances, okay, there's 12 stocks. And it's been a strong buy, and there's been a buy 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 quarter, 6 months, and 1 year. And it's still buy, right? That means it is a good thing. And then if I click here, then I can read about this theme. And if I click here, then you see this blue field is activated. And then I can look at the watch list. As I said, we're going to create the watch list, okay? So we'll add the new, what is that? Appliances, okay? So say appliances, okay? And then I will put the date. Today is 09/26/24. Enter, and I created the watch list, okay? So now, if I want to get this watch list or analyze my watch lists, which I created some time ago, I go here, my robots, paper trays, my watch list, okay? Here, as you can see, there are a lot of watch lists. This is a home watch list, which I can analyze. And you see, this was 0.01, 21. Yeah, let's take it. So it means I created that watch list back in 21. Let's click it. So as you can see, this is a watch list. Yep. Yeah, I was looking actually for this column. Okay, you see, it is a January 7, all this watch list was created January 7, 2021. And as you can see, it is 300%, 126%. So this, if you remember, that column was for the purposes of recording only one stock, which is kind of doesn't perform well, made only 4%, but all other 600%, 2000%. Okay, so that means if you use our screener, you can get this type of watch lists and actually use these opportunities. Okay. So let's go back my watch list. I said what appliances. Okay, so we can analyze. So this is with dates. Appliances. You see, appliances 09, 26, 24. That's what we just created. Okay. And if I look at the scanner, this a date when it was recorded, because it's in the prices of the previous days. Okay. So that's how to create build a watch list. And so how to use a scanner. Okay. What's the difference between scanner and what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna click here and then screener, scanner. Okay. Boom. And this is the real-time scanner. Okay, that's when I can look on what's going on with information related to the intraday data. And as you can see, all of them strong buy, and that is the zeros. And then tomorrow you're going to be able to use this type of scanner. Tomorrow, right? So now, what else? So with activation of this field, you can look and see what's going on, let's say, with the pattern search engine. You can look at all patterns which are right now here, as you can see, at pattern search engine just found all potential trading opportunities via pattern. Okay, so you can find through the trends, through all our tools. It is a really great tool to find it. Okay. So what else? Now let me finish with the history of our development. As you can see, I just showed you pattern search engine. We have a trend prediction engine. We have real-time patterns. You can find a lot of information on our website. I showed you screener. I showed you buy sell daily signals. Okay. And I showed you AI robots. The robots, they are built in two steps. So we take fundamental analysis and then apply technical analysis, and then we make robots. Okay, virtual account, real money, and things like that. Okay, so that concludes my presentation. And then if you're interested, give us a call or send us information or subscribe. Good luck, and thank you for listening.